Hi guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a new subscription box. This one is called Goddess Provisions and it is a monthly box to make you feel fabulous, I guess. So it's all natural, handmade, organic, vegan type of stuff. Ooh, some TeaPigs. I love TeaPigs. Let's see, what flavor is this? Happy herbal tea with lemon balm. Let's see, it's got cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, blackberry leaves, turmeric. Okay, so this is all kinds of stuff in it. If you've never had TeaPigs tea before, it is very intense and a lot of their flavors are unique and sort of interesting and fun. I really love their licorice mint. They also have some really great rooibos flavors. I love TeaPigs. I tend to order a lot of this in the winter, but I've never had this one, so I'm really excited to try this. How fun, and I love that it's happy, make me happy. Even in the summer, I still drink tea at night. I just like tea and coffee and wine and sometimes tequila. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, it's a bracelet. Ah, this is cute. Charged. Stones with stories charged in a Sedona vortex. Is there like a card in here that tells me things? It's pretty though, right? I don't know what a Sedona vortex is. What is this? Is this? I don't know what this is. I think it's a crystal. Like just a free, you know, crystal, right? Crystals are supposed to be, you know, like have energy and all that good stuff. You see them a lot of times in jewelry, but I've never been given one just free. I'm not sure what to do with it. What do I do with stuff like that? Flying wish paper? You guys, I'm so excited. Oh, if this is what I think it is, and it has to be, right? Wish paper, that's only one thing. Okay, it has a little pencil. Cute, looks like one of those little mini golf pencils, but it actually says flying wish paper on it, and it's gold. That's pretty. It looks like just some sheets of purple square paper. So I've gotten wish paper in a box a million years ago, and I had the kids do it, and they wrote down their wishes on the paper, and then you light it on fire, and it kind of burns and then it floats into the air and then comes back down, and you can like catch the ashes. It's actually very, very cool and sort of a fun thing to do. My kids loved it. Of course, then they were really upset that their wishes didn't immediately come true. June is still waiting for her mermaid tail. And Jensen, I think, wished that all of the streets would become railroads. So anyway, I'm pretty sure that that's, yeah, write it, light it, watch it fly. This would be the perfect kind of thing for like a slumber party, you know, or just to like do with your girlfriends and, you know, have a glass of wine and make some wishes and then watch them fly. It's just sort of a fun thing to do. Okay, what is this? Gratitude Face Serum, Seaweed and Algae. Zatik. I don't know, omega blend for smoothing wrinkles and hydration. Well, that's nice. It's organic and cruelty-free. I like the packaging on this. You know, I mean, it's a nice bottle. It doesn't have like a strong scent. It does have a scent. It just sort of smells herbal. It doesn't, you know, it's not super scented. It feels really nice. Very smooth, silky. That could be really lovely and wonderful. It's making my hand look nice. Okay. And then some Pacifica Energized Glow Turmeric Spice Facial Mask with turmeric, watermelon, and green tea. Awesome. Pacifica is a great vegan, cruelty-free brand that you can get at like Target or any sort of like drugstore. They have them, you know, and they're reasonably priced. They have a great line of different skincare and makeup and whatnot. So this is fun. Ooh, and what is this? Oh, a little astrological pocket planner. That's kind of fun, right? Hello there. Oh, this is the card I was looking for that tells you all about everything in your box. This is actually really cute, the way that they did this. Do you see the cover? And then it says, monthly mantra. In this season of sunlight, I cherish my own radiance and share it freely with others. Okay, so you have a 6-month planner, the flying wish paper. Okay, so the bracelet. This gemstone bracelet has been energetically charged by spiritual vortexes in Sedona, Arizona. Wear it to boost feelings of balance, stability, and inner peace, especially when taking on new challenges. That's kind of cool. Interesting. Oh, and I guess there were 2 different serums that you could have gotten in the box. So both from the same company, but one of them is the Solar Mineral Sunscreen or the Gratitude Serum. So I got the Gratitude Serum. Oh man, I would have liked the sunscreen. That's okay, I have lots of sunscreen. Okay, and then the Pacifica thing. Oh, the orange calcite. Okay, so that's this. Ancient European cultures understood magic to be strongest during the summer solstice. Carry this luminous stone with you to enhance the feelings of joy, confidence, and creativity, and to help you integrate the spiritual realm with your physical reality. Interesting. So I can just shove it in my pocket and, okay. Super cool. Oh, okay, and then there's a thing, Gather Like a Goddess ebook. Start your own woman's circle to celebrate the summer solstice with practical tips from the Goddess Project on how to create the space for sisterhood, feminine empowerment, and goddess wisdom to flourish. And then it has like a little download here at the Goddess Project. Interesting, interesting. Okay, so this is a pretty cool box. This is actually very cool. So I will leave all of the information in the description box, what I got in my box, links to all of Goddess Provisions, Instagram and Facebook and their website and everything. I also believe that I have a referral link if you do want to sign up for this. Thank you, Goddess Provisions, for sending me this box. It's very cool and I dig it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!